Okay, so we hopped over to Islands of Adventure, and I'm standing over here because it's a little noisy over there. But essentially, this show is going to be the stories you'll hear. Guests will not only be entertained by a musical type show, but they will also see various characters from the Seuss books and movies that we know and love. Okay, so there are a couple of shows over in Hogsmeade Village here in Islands of Adventure. So the first show you'll want to come check out is going to be the Tri-Wizard Spirit Rally. You witness the talents of the Tri-Wizard champions holding duels, performing stunts, and so much more. So that is the first show. The second show is going to be the Frog Choir, and again, it's going to be the same stage. Essentially, the Frog Choir brings a more whimsical performance to the stage with a talented group of witches and wizards accompanied by their frog friends to serenade the crowd. Another show that you can check out here in Islands of Adventure, and that is going to be the Hogwarts nighttime show. If you're lucky enough to be here on a night that they do have the Hogwarts light show going on, be sure to check it out. The other cool thing too is during Christmas time, the show will change and it will be Christmas themed. Again, really, really cool. So that is it, everyone. Those are the must-do shows here at Universal Orlando. And if you are in the process of planning a Universal Orlando trip and you do need a little additional help, just be sure to go check out our website, theparkprodigy.com.